guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a demo of how to using our FHIR bundle visualizer. This is our final project. First, this is our GitHub page, and we have the README file which can help you to set up a local environment. But in today's video, I'm just go through the hosted one which we have in the GitHub page. So let me do this really quick. I click this link, and now this is our app. It's quite simple. The first thing you want to do is to click this upload bundle button, and it will pop up open a window which you can use to select the bundle file you want to use. So for example, we can choose any JSON file, bundle JSON files. So what we can see here, we have the JSON files which is from our projects. So let me pick some random ones like patient2 JSON file. So let me click open, and in a while you can see everything pops up. So let me take a closer look. So there are some basic information about this patient. His name is Damian Adolphine Weber, and it's a male. And also the race is white, and also it shows other information like the language, phone address, like that. And here is the summary. This summary is automatically generated from the LLM, which we use Gemini API. And if you can take a look, it gives you some basic information about this user, like it is 34 years old and he's single, and also the summary also shows some information about his encounters, like he has some kind of metabolic syndrome X, and also he has received the COVID-19 vaccine, like that, and also it shows some his medical history. And one thing to take a note is that for some informations which are considered important, it has been highlighted in bold text. So for example, we can see the social isolation and also the stress, acute viral thing, like that. So it can help the nurse or doctor to identify the key information from the summary. And here comes the timeline. The timeline is the most important thing of our project, because what we want to do is to visualize the timeline information from this bundle. As we can see here, it has types of resources like the conditions, encounters, procedures, observations, claims, and medications. So for each one, we can see the details. And so for example, let me find the stress, which is one of the conditions, and it has been recorded at this date. And this is timeline information. So if we want to take a more detailed view of this information, we can zoom our cursor here, and we can zoom in like this, and it can shows information in a more finer, detailed way. And also for the encounters, we can see this user has lots of encounters over the years, and it has been spread nicely in a timetable. So we can imagine when a doctor or nurse sees this kind of timetable, he can quickly make some conclusions about the symptoms, the encounters, the overall situations of this patient. It is really what we think is really crucial for the diagnosis of this patient. So let's try another patient. Let's find a good number like patient 4, and let's click open. Here comes summary again, and this patient is Gabriel, and is a 12 years old white male. And here is his resources. This is his timeline information, and it has tracking information. I think starts from 2014, and scroll down, and we can see there are lots of informations which spreads over the timeline. So it can give us a roughly idea about how the symptom and how his medical history is. Let's try another one. Patient 5. Oh, it's male again. Yeah, we can see there are some nice colors. Some text are bolded, and we can see the informations. They are all spread over the text, the timeline. And I think that's everything I want to show here. This app is quite simple, but what I want to convey is it indeed gives the doctors and nurses a different view, a different perspective to view the information of a bundle, because the bundle is originally in a JSON file, and it's hard to look at. So by using our app, we can actually extract those informations and present them in a meaningful way, which is easier for people to understand and easier to look at also. Thank you.